What's up YouTube? This is Manuel
And my name is Farlan.
and we are Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today we're gonna be unboxing two Puma RS-X.
So stick around. Before we continue with the video, I would just like to remind you that we are currently doing our Air Jordan promotion.
And we're giving away these sneakers. When I came out on Carlo Obles' video a few weeks back, we unboxed Puma RS-X MTVs. And as I mentioned during that video, I really love these sneakers because it's very comfortable, very easy to use, and the colorways really pop. It became one of my beaters.
And that's why today we're going to unbox two more colorways of the Puma RS-X.
So let's go. So this is the Puma RS-X Toys. This is the first RS-X that they released last year, which is in Puma Royal colorway. As you can see, it has vibrant colors with blue, red, and yellow. And the next one that they released is this one, which is the Black and Blue Atoll. So as you can see, majority of the colorway for this one is black with hints of green and pink. As you may notice that the colorways are all matching, and it looks really nice. You know, it's just you can see it's black, but there's the hints is perfectly situated on different areas.
And then we have the Puma RS-X Reinvention in the Light Sky and Peacoat colorway. So it's actually, this one is kind of light blue color. They call it the Light Sky color. And this is the Peacoat, which is navy. And they have hints of yellow and orange. So actually they have a good, they did a good job of giving contrast to the blue colors that we have here, to the shades of blue colors we have with the orange and yellow.
Yeah, I really love actually any of these sneakers. I like the colorway. That's why I bought it, because I can wear easily any of these, and I'm really excited to wear all of them, you know, because that's what's nice about Puma, because they really reinvented themselves. As like this, the name of this sneakers, Reinvention, because for quite some time, like, Puma was like nowhere.
Yeah, all they have was their classics, and last year they actually had a revival.
Yeah.
It's like they released
So many
basketball
sneakers,
lifestyle sneakers, running sneakers.
Yeah, they really in a huge comeback, and I must admit that they're making waves. Like in the NBA, they signed up a lot of young stars.
Multiple stars.
Yeah, young stars to showcase their new sneakers, and actually their basketball shoes are not that bad. You know, it looks like old school, but at the same time with the new technology.
Oh, same as this one.
Yeah, because this is RS running. Actually, RS means running system. It was originally released back in the 80s.
Yes, that's why it gave me the 80s, 90s silhouette and feel, and the color combination, it just screams 90s to me.
Yes, exactly. But it works perfectly well with the sneakers.
Especially the trends that we have today, right?
Exactly, so dad shoes. You know, this is definitely a cheaper alternative to the 700s of the Yeezys, as I mentioned in the other video, because you know it has the dad shoe feel. At the same time, you know, it's very comfortable. It's almost as close to the Yeezy 700s.
And the most important thing, it's a lot more affordable.
Yeah, the price really is like about 1/3 of the price of the 700s.
And you can also get them easily when you walk in stores.
Yeah,
You can get them easily, so you can go to the store,
you
try
don't need
it
to
on.
queue.
Yeah, you
and,
don't need to queue.
Yeah, but you better, when you see a pair that you the colorway that you like, you better grab them fast, because I mean nowadays I've seen a lot of
The colorways getting sold out.
Yeah, getting sold out. You know, like the first week it was sold in Malaysia. I actually saw it already, but it's like, oh, this is nice, but I didn't really buy it yet. And then on the weekend, I saw it. It was still sitting, so I just grabbed it. And luckily, I tried it on and I grabbed it. Luckily, it was I got the last pair on my size. Yes. So these two are already sold out on stores. I think this one also, but you can still buy them on other sites or like StockX. And it's cheap. It's cheap. Like this one, I think I got in StockX for less than $100.
Really?
Yes. This one is like $100. You know. So this one I got from the shop.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the retail price on this one?
I think the retail price is about $100 US
The
because
low hundreds.
yeah, low hundreds is very cheap, very affordable, and yeah, easy to wear. There's a lot of Puma RS-X that they've been releasing, like collaboration with Hot Wheels.
Yes. I also saw a lot of the new colorway. It's more simple, more less colorful than this one. So
Which one is that? The gold.
I think the gold medal.
The gold medal. It's just simple black, white,
Black and
gold. So it's really nice.
So if you don't want popping colors, you can go for that one.
Yes. They also have like all white, and
All white?
all white and all black, like triple black and triple white. They have seen in shops actually. In JD Sports in Malaysia, they have it. Then of course the MTV colorway.
Yeah.
Actually, they have four colorways of the MTV.
So the MTV colorway is like 90s inspired, right?
Yes.
So the color blocking on that will be like 90s
So
color.
you can feel MTV screaming. Yeah, so I think that's it for the Puma RS-X. I think it's time to see some on-foot action.
This video, I would like to remind you again that we are currently doing our Epic Air Jordan giveaways.
And in a few seconds, we will be showing you all these stickers and all the mechanics.
So again guys, please help us promote our channel and share our videos to your friends and families.
So we may reach all the milestones for all our giveaways. and soon enough we'll be announcing all of them for you.
We hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below.
And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button.
Also, please like us on Facebook.
And follow us on Instagram.
Until next time.